Hello friends, welcome you all in our channel comment. So friends, yesterday was the last day to apply in one mainboard IPO Inox India and three SME IPOs CRM Recycling, Benchmark Computer Solution and COSF Mobility. So in this video we will see how much they got subscribed from all investors on last day. Along with this we will also check latest game market premium of all the IPOs. So starting with Inox India, it had received bumper subscription from QIB on last day. They subscribed 295 times, HNI subscribed 106 times, retail investors subscribed 30 times, and it total got subscribed 122 times. And if we compare subscription figure with DOMS IPO, so allotment chances is high in retail category. CRM Recycling total got subscribed 385 times, QIB subscribed 96 times, HNI subscribed 597 times, retail investors subscribed 459 times. When looking at subscription figure in retail category, there is very much less chances for getting the allotment in this IPO. And as remaining both the IPO Benchmark Computer Solution and COSFM Mobility has no quota for QIB, so here quite high chances of getting allotment in retail category in contrast to CRM Recycling. Talking about latest GMP of all mainboard and SME IPO, so Motisans Jewelry is trading at top, trading at 198%, Inox India trading at 82%, Azad Engineering trading at 83%, DOMS trading at 62%, Happy Forging trading at 48%, Innova CapTap trading at 46%, Mufti Jeans Premium increased to 48% from 42%, India Shelter Finance trading at 32%, Muthoot Finance Premium reduced to 18% from 27%, and Suraj Developer trading at 19%. Coming towards SME IPO, so Trident Tech Lab Premium increased to 120% from 80%, CRM Recycling trading at 78%, Benchmark Computer Solution trading at 45%, Electroforce India trading at 10% now. And as of now, 6 IPOs are not having any demand in K-Market Premium. They are Sri OSFM Mobility, Sahara Maritime, Samiro Agro, Indifra, Shanti Spintex, and Moonboard IPO RBZ Jewelers. And apart from this, date of 3 more SME IPO had released, where Supreme Power Equipment, Indifra and Samiro Agro, all these 3 IPO will be open for subscription between 21 to 26 December. And as of now, only Supreme Power Equipment is trading at 80% in K-Market Premium. And today is the allotment date of all 4 IPOs, so we will update you as soon as possible once the allotment status out. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also like and share this video with your friends and family member, and thank you for watching this whole video.